Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create your first plugin in Roblox. So first insert a script into server script service and call this script create model. And we can say in this script local toolbar equals plugin create toolbar, and then in speech marks let's say create model, and now we can say local button equals equals toolbar create button, and let's say add, and then let's put a comma, then put nothing there, and then in these speech marks there's a very certain thing you have to type. I'll leave it in the description. Let me go copy it. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it in there. You can go and copy what's in the description, copy what says, to copy whatever it says under add ID, and we can say local function create GUI, and let's just say model name, and we can say local selection equals game get service. No. Let's type that up here at the very top of the script. Local selection equals game get service. I'm pretty sure it's selection service. Okay, it is, no, it's not selection service, it's selection. Okay, and now we in this function, what we'll say is, so first let's just create a screen GUI to starter GUI, and just insert a text box, set the size to 1, 0, 0.1, 0. Change text scale to true, text stroke transparency to 0, and just change text color 3 to 0, 0, 255. Oops. Text color 3, I meant to say. That'll just make it look nice. Set text to nothing and set the placeholder text to model name. And just set background transparency to 1. Now let's insert text button into this, And let's set the size to 0.1, 0, 1, 0, just like that. And set background color 3 to 0, 255, 0. Set text scale to true and change the button's text to create. Change text stroke transparency to 0 and change text color 3 to 255, 255, 255. So it looks white. Okay, so we can say local UI equals instance dot new screen GUI UI dot parent equals game dot starter GUI local box equals instance dot new text box, and we can say box dot background transparency equals 1. Box dot size equals udim 2 dot new 1, 0, 0.1, 0. Box dot placeholder text equals model name. Oh, I forgot to put a space. Box dot text equals nothing, like that. Box dot text color 3 equals color 3 dot from RGB 0, 0, 255 for blue. Box dot text scaled equals true. Box dot text stroke transparency equals 0. And box dot parent equals UI. Local button equals instance dot new text button. Button dot background color 3 equals color 3 dot from RGB 0, 255, 0. Button dot size equals udim 2 dot new 0.1, 0, 1, 0. Button dot text equals create. Button dot text color 3 equals color 3 dot from RGB 255, 255, 255. Button dot text scaled equals true. Button dot text stroke transparency equals 0. And we should have it create a button now. Our function should work fine. So let's just say button dot click connect function. We don't need model name here. Function like that. And we can say create GUI. Okay, so now let's just delete this screen GUI because we don't need it anymore because our script creates it for us. So right click the script in the Explorer and hit save as local plugin, and then hit save. And then if oops, I spelled button wrong. I'm gonna save mine again because I spelled button wrong. Plugins, and you should see one that says create model with a plus that in a button that says add. If you click the add button, you should see model name. You should see model name up here. Oops. Here's what we forgot to do. Button.parents equals UI. Okay, save it as a plugin again. And if you see something that says is create model.lua already exists, just hit yes, because this is a newer version of our plugin. Now if we click it, it creates our GUI. Okay, so let's just delete the screen GUI out of starter GUI. And we can actually make the good part, the creating part. So let's say local function, create model name, local model equals instance dot new model take out these 2 lines of code. Let's just say local object equals selection :get. If hashtag objects is greater than 0, then local parent. No, let's just say let's just say up here. Let's just add up here another variable. Let's call it local parent, and let's save the workspace to its value. Parents now we can just say parent equals objects 1, and we can say a local out of that if statement. Let's just say local model equals instance dot new model dot name equals model name and model dot parent equals parent. And let's just say right here in the create GUI function, button dot mouse button 1 click :connect open bracket function, just like this. And let's just say create model, and we can say box.text. Oops. Let's select our model and then hit cut right here. And then right above the create GUI function, let's just hit paste. Okay, now it should work. Save your plugin once again. If you see something that says it already exists, just hit yes. Okay, let's hit add, and let's select the base plate, And in model name, let's just say a test, and let's hit create, and let's open up the base plate, and we should have a model called test. Now there's a bunch of models called test because I keep clicking it. Something else we should have done, we have to do right here is just say UI:destroy. If you save yours again, you don't have to, but if you want to test it, you can. Oops, one more thing, selection:set, and then in curly brackets, wait, no, not in here, in create model, selection:set, model, like that. Now you should save it. Plugins. Let's do it in the base plate. Let's hit add. Model name. My first plugin. And let's hit create. And there we go. It creates a model. But if you're wondering how to make a plugin that removes a model, well, here's how. We can say local button2 equals toolbar, create button, remove, like that. And then in this third pair of speech marks, there's something else you have to copy. Let me go copy it. It will be under remove ID for you. I'm just gonna copy it. Okay, I'm gonna paste it right here. And we can just say local function remove model. And then this small bit of code right here, let's just copy it and change parent to selected, and let's just create a variable called local selected, and don't bother with this part. And in here, let's just say let's say if selected dot class name equals model, then selected :destroy, and let's just say down here button2 dot click :connect function, and then remove model. And if you save your plugin, just hit yes. You should have one that says add and remove. So let's just add a model into the base plate. Let's call it, let's delete this and hit create. Okay, let's hit remove, and it removes it. And if we select the base plate or anything else that's not a model and click remove, it doesn't remove because we set it so it can only remove models. Guys, that's how to create your very own plugin in Roblox. So, bye.